Hello. It's an honor to be able to present to AFN this year as we look forward to our 45th year of operating TAPS and as we all celebrate together the 50th anniversary of the Alaska Native Claims Settlement Act. I'm proud of our strong commitment to the Alaska Native Utilization Agreement and of our incredible workforce that represents each region in the state. Jessica Jacobson is an Otna shareholder and an outstanding example of our workforce. She's a maintenance planner out at Pump Station 4, which is right near Adigan Pass. She has a wealth of experience working along TAPS in many different capacities as both an employee and a contractor. She's also not just a great employee though, she's an active volunteer leader, serving with many boards and organizations throughout the state. Her story is similar to many who come from our quarter regions. She grew up near the pipeline and was introduced to TAPS early on. Jessica received scholarships through her corporation, a match scholarship through Alyeska, and support from other scholarship partners in Alyeska's Alaska Native program. We'll continue supporting Jessica and others, whether they're seeking professional development as an employee, scholarships as a student, or job experience of a graduate of a technical or degree program. Please enjoy learning more about our program and Jessica's story directly from Jessica herself.
My name is Jessica Jacobson and I'm a technical maintenance planner for Pump Station 3 all the way to Fairbanks, and I'm currently stationed at Pump Station 4. I plan and schedule the day-to-day maintenance operations and also assist with projects and everything that has to do out here with the work to help sure that TAPS operates safely. I grew up in a rural town in the Otna region, and so growing up all the time we're looking at the pipeline, and so I was always seeing the pipeline in my backyard per se. And when I first started to go to college in 2009, Alyeska was presenting at the Alaska Native Science and Engineering program. Growing up in the ANSEP family, I was able to be continually egged on and mentored kind of by Tracy Mueller from Alyeska. And there seemed to be a lot of people along the way that, you know, really helped me along and gave me their little snippets of wisdom as I was going, because in construction you don't stay at one place for very long. And so I just tried to glean a little bit from each and every person I could along the way. I was a non-traditional student and I tried to do college once before, and I wasn't serious when I was 18 and I failed all my courses. And so when I was 27, I decided to go back. And I also went to a degree that's not even, it's a male-dominated field, and I also joined ANSEP at the same time. So when I was with ANSEP, they kept talking about, you know, find out where your scholarships are, apply for scholarships, and I was able to be paired with not only the ANSEP scholarship, but the Alyeska Match Scholarship for my construction management degree. And they continued to support me through my whole degree, and I never had to pay for any tuition. My first real experience to work on TAPS, I was given a construction management internship from my corporation, Otna, and they allowed me to be the Health, Safety, Environmental, or HSE, on the line for a whole season doing the below ground corrosion investigations. And I got to spend 18 weeks, you know, learning the system and seeing how Alyeska and the contractors work together, and they were, you know, pulling off these jobs in 3 or 4 days and then moving on to the next site like they've never been there. And I was just amazed, and I was like, I really want to work there one day for Alyeska. I really enjoy working out in the field at Alyeska because the caliber of people that you work with out here are unparalleled to anywhere else I've worked across the whole state of Alaska. I really feel that every day we are faced with unique and different and complex challenges, and everybody, including myself, steps up, and so it's just every single day you have something to look forward to, something new to learn, and it is just fabulous to work here.
When I think about Jessica, she used all of the tools. She got a mentor, she asked questions, she did career development. She really did very thoughtful in how she picked her career. And to me that showed, you know, that she really was interested and wanted to go the extra mile, and I think it really did pay off for her. I'm proud of her. She is part of TAPS, and she is an amazing addition to working here. And it's been great to see someone grow, and she's definitely one that I've seen grow over the years. Alyeska has been a huge supporter of ANSEP, Alaska Native Science and Engineering Program, for over 26 years. We were the founding kind of partners in that program. And part of the reason I believe Alyeska was such a huge supporter is that they are developing the next leaders, the next STEM science and engineering program students for jobs on TAPS in Alaska, not just TAPS, but just in the state of Alaska. And so the importance of what they do and how they're training students is amazing. And I'm proud that Alyeska supports it. We have a number of current employees that were previous ANSEP students. And that's an amazing feat. I feel proud to be part of Alyeska and what we have done for that program and how we continue to support ANSEP. I think we will always support it just because of the kind of students they produce. They are good future employees for the state of Alaska, and so I'm happy to be a part of that.